Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for One Piece Pirate Warriors 4. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu where you can choose various different game modes and start battling right away. Now if you wish to change your control settings, then you can pause the game by pressing the escape button or the start button on your keyboard. From here you can use your left or right bumper or the L1 or R1 buttons to navigate to various different menus. Now once you are within the system settings, you can see the options page, and you can also see the check controls option. If you simply wish to check the buttons for your control, then you can choose this menu and you will see what controls are set for your current device. If you go into options, you can now change the various different settings by using once again your left or right bumper or your L1 or R1 buttons. If you're playing with the keyboard and mouse, then you can use the Q and E buttons to navigate to the other pages. Once you navigate to the controls page, you will now see various different buttons that have been assigned to your player. If you wish to change any of these options, then you can simply tap on the button that you wish to change, and you will be asked to enter the button that you wish to set. After pressing the button that you wish to change into, your chosen button will now be assigned as the new control right away. You can do this with all of the various different parameters and make sure that no individual control or button has been set for two different actions. After making your desired changes, navigate to the Finish Setup option and then press the OK button. This will now save your changes, and now you can go back to your game and start enjoying it right away. And this option is suitable for both your joypad or joystick as well as your keyboard and mouse. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.